In this video, I'll introduce you how to hide toolbar in Microsoft Excel. Please follow these steps. First, click on the icon on the left. Window thumbnail icon. Select Show tab in Commands. Your entire toolbar is now visible. Or you can right-click on the tab bar. Then choose Collapse the ribbon. And if you want to hide the toolbar, please click on the icon and select the operation. Then the toolbar will be hidden. You only see tabs. When you click on each tab, the toolbar will appear. You can also right-click the toolbar and choose And if you want to hide the toolbar completely, go to the tabs above. Please select. So your toolbar is completely hidden. You can also reopen it by selecting the icon. Select Show tab in Commands. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.